Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanics of Music. My name is Caitlin and we are on our journey through the first 30 ukulele lessons. Today is a wonderful day because we are learning another song. This song is This Land Is Your Land by none other than Woody Guthrie. So grab your uke, make sure it's in tune, and let's get started. So first thing we do, as always, we get a new song, we just look at the chords. We make sure we know the chords. If we don't, we just refresh them. So we know we need C, F, and G7. C chord, third finger, third fret of the A string. Practice it now. F chord, first finger, first fret of E, and second finger, second fret of G. And last one is G7. First finger, first fret of the E string, second finger, second fret of the C string, and third finger, second fret of the A string. If you need some help on the chords, make sure you go back and watch the video about chords. A great way to practice singing and playing is to start, just practice strumming. Just play along, let me do the singing. Step 2 is sort of hum along in spots that you can. Maybe just mumbling, or maybe you really know the chorus and you can sort of and that's just getting you going. And then you can also just sing along with me. Sing along, make sure you really know the words, make sure you really know the melody. Just practicing those things and more or less memorizing it is one of the best ways to learn and play a song. When I'm learning a new song, I like to listen to the song a lot so that I can really get it inside my heart and soul and start to really memorize, more or less memorize the melody, the lyrics, the chords. And so just listen to me play it and sing it a few times if that's what helps you. Everyone's a little different. Some people can really pick up on lyrics and songs quickly. Some people can't remember lyrics if their life depended on it, and that's totally fine. We're all different, and we're all just here together learning to play this super awesome instrument and having a great time doing it. There's not too much to say about this song. We're going to start with just a down strum. We'll learn about a few more interesting strums at the end, but for now, let's just dive right in, starting on our C chord. Play along, sing along, hum along. This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Islands, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking the ribbon of highway, I saw above me an endless skyway. I saw below me a golden valley. This land was made for you and me. Back to the chorus. This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land awesome job, you guys. If you made it to the end strumming and singing and playing, that is amazing. If you made it to the end and you were just singing or you were just strumming, that is also awesome. This is only the second song we've learned, so play along with this video as much as you want. Sing it, play it, or just listen to it a few times. Go listen to actual Woody Guthrie's version a few times. I know there's a lot of other artists that cover this song, and there's even actually a Canadian version about this land is your land, this land is my land, from Bonavista Vista to Vancouver Island, from the... I don't know all the words to the Canadian one. Bad Canadian. Maybe we'll do another video with the Canadian version. So now, again, there's always more options and there's more ways you can spice up the song. Let's talk about a few of those ways. First way is that we can do down and up strums. This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Let's try pattern number 8. This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. So go back, rewatch the video, try one of those strumming patterns over top of me doing the down strums. Same as with the last song we did, things to practice is just practice going between those chords. Just practice planting your fingers, play the F chord, go to C chord. Don't even strum, just do the motion. It's like a baseball player, you know, a golfer who does a practice swing before he actually hits the ball. You're just moving back and forth. Then you can do maybe a strum. Check that all your strings are clear. Then you can try maybe 4 strums on each chord. And do this at your own pace. If it takes you a long time to get to your F chord, to adjust, that's okay. Don't feel like you have to rush. It's more important to make sure that you get the proper fingering, you keep your wrist straight, you get your thumb in the right spot, and it's a clear chord rather than rushing. Playing along with me is just something a goal to get towards. But when you're on your own, I want you to just go slow, and then however long it takes you, plant that F chord 1 finger at a time. If it's like a bit dead, just readjust and stick with it. You guys are doing great if you've made it to this lesson so far. Keep up the great work and congratulations. You've learned another song on the ukulele. So practice up, keep strumming, keep smiling, and I shall see you guys in the next lesson.